Mr. Speaker, first of all, I want to draw attention to the fact that the minority leader is improperly dressed. This is not parliamentary dress. This is unparliamentary. And Mr. Speaker, you must ask him to go back and dress and come properly to the floor of the House.
He now goes further to talk about my dressing. With respect, Mr. Speaker, this is cubavera. This is cubavera. When we were young, they call it a catch-for shirt, a gentleman's wear. Sometimes we should not use some form of ignorance to rather say things that we don't know. How do you say that cubavera? No. How do you say it for Hansa to capture? That cubavera is a shirt which, when one wears, it's amount to improper dressing and is not parliamentary.